Hello my dear friend, welcome back. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to block quick settings on Samsung lock screen. Let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, then open the settings page. Once you are in main settings, scroll down a little. Here you can find the lock screen and audio option. Click on them. After this page, look for the secure lock settings button. Click on it. Then verify to enter your phone screen password. After you verify, you can open the next page. Scroll down to the very bottom, look for the lock network and security option. Right now this option is turned off. Simply turn it on. And you are done. To check this method is work or not, simply lock your phone. After that, swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel. You can try to activate the airplane mode. But this time you verify to enter your phone password first before it turn it on. And that's it. You are done. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also subscribe my new channel.